Literally last night, Gemini 3.1 Pro gets released, which Google seem to do this. They wait and they wait and they wait, and then they come out with something that this is actually kind of killing on all the benchmarks. Humanity's last exam, RKGI 2, not only is it beating 3, obviously, but it's beating Opus 4.6 on a lot of those things. Sweetbench verified again. I've never been a fan of Gemini as a coding tool at all. But saying that, I do use it on all of my NAN tasks. I think it's a great generic AI, you know? It's great at writing. I think it's good at writing. I think it's good at analysis. I think it's good for scientific purposes, which is kind of, why I use it for sort of administration tasks.
So they are also sharing these animations done with Gemini 3.1 Pro versus the old one, and it's getting somewhere usable, I would say. So the past animations, you see it's clunky, it doesn't really make much sense, it's not beautiful, and you would say, okay, it looks cool, but I'm not gonna use it. The new version, it's like, it is getting usable, maybe not quite yet, but it is getting there.
It is good. I mean, like, I said to you earlier, like, a normie would look at this and be like, what? It looks absolutely shit. I mean, but we have to remind ourselves on what's being done here. And it's a free animation, so why not take it, right?
Yeah, and maybe the designs are not good. That's why I'm a bit hesitant. The designs are not amazing. Maybe it's just a bit too childish, maybe too cartoonish, maybe it is a bit outdated, the style. But maybe if you could get like a more nicer, more modern style and animated, the animations, like the physics of the animations, look really spot on. It has details, it has like parallax, it has like some sort of like understanding of the physics.
I'm trying to think what model it was. I think it is Gemini that Replit uses for its designs, is UI designs. I think it's I do think this, in hindsight now, I think Gemini is really good at UI design, like a bit of a underdog, because I mean, look at this now, you know. It's and I remember like doing a test inside of Replit and it being quite creative when it comes to UI design. Don't get me wrong, it's not going to be insane. What was that one? Claude be like you know, it's not going to be the same as a designer coming up doing loads of research, figuring out. It's not, you're not going to beat that, of course. But for someone who just wants something a bit less AI generated and a bit more creative, I think Gemini's your go-to, to be honest. So yeah. And Replit are streaming now, look. So you can vibe code your video. Oh, because they I won't so that now they've got an animation platform, so you can vibe code your animation, which is interesting.
That's cool. Yeah.
Wait, is it using Gemini?
Is it like Remotion?
Well, yeah, I mean, it's same output, right? It's the same output. I don't know how it does it, but maybe it's using Gemini under the hood. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.